If there's one animal that represents the strength, beauty, and mystery of the forests and the Pantanal, it's the jaguar, a silent predator, owner of the most powerful bite among felines, and a true symbol of the wildlife of the Americas. Today, we're going to dive into the world of the jaguar, exploring its strength, its habits, and why it is so important for the balance of nature. The jaguar, whose scientific name is Panthera onca, is the largest feline in the Americas and the third largest in the world, behind only the tiger and the lion. It is easily recognized by its yellowish coat covered with black rosettes, which serve as perfect camouflage in the shadows of the forest. What's curious is that no two jaguars share the same pattern of spots. Just like our fingerprints, each one is unique. An adult male can weigh between 200 and 260 pounds, but in the Pantanal, some jaguars have been recorded surpassing 330 pounds. Its body can reach almost 2 meters in length, not counting the tail, and its shoulder height is about 70 centimeters. But what really impresses is its strength. The jaguar has the most powerful bite of all felines on the planet, reaching something around 1,500 to 2,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. To give you an idea, a lion's bite is around 650 psi, while a human's doesn't exceed 160. This incredible power allows the jaguar to break bones and even pierce turtle shells or the skulls of large animals, killing with a single precise bite. The jaguar is an opportunistic and very versatile predator. It feeds on more than 85 different species, including capybaras, deer, caimans, and even cattle. Unlike other big cats, which usually kill their prey by suffocating them with bites to the neck, the jaguar has a unique hunting style. It prefers to bite directly into the skull of its victim, piercing the brain with its canine teeth. It's a quick, efficient method that is almost impossible to escape. In addition, the jaguar is an excellent swimmer. Unlike most felines, it is not afraid of water and often hunts inside rivers and lagoons. It is not uncommon to see it chasing caimans or swimming long distances. Among so many stories involving jaguars, one in particular caught the world's attention: the story of Ousado. In 2020, during the wildfires that devastated the Pantanal, he was found with severe burns on all 4 paws. Rescued by veterinarians, he underwent long treatment with modern techniques such as ozone therapy and even stem cells. After weeks of recovery, he was released back into his natural habitat. What surprised everyone came afterward. Ousado developed a unique hunting technique for caimans. Instead of attacking from above like most jaguars, he dives and faces his prey underwater in intense struggles that can last up to a minute. This adaptation not only ensured his survival, but also demonstrated the incredible resilience of the species. Today, Ousado remains healthy and has become a true symbol of the Pantanal's resistance. The jaguar is a solitary and territorial animal. Each individual can occupy areas ranging from dozens to hundreds of square kilometers, depending on the region. Normally, it hunts at night, taking advantage of its sharp night vision and natural camouflage. And if you've ever heard the sound a jaguar makes, you know it's very different from a lion's roar. The jaguar's call is known as a sawing or roaring cough, a deep sound similar to a loud cough that serves to mark territory and communicate over long distances. The jaguar is not only a formidable predator, but also a fundamental piece in maintaining ecosystem balance. As an apex predator, it helps control prey populations and prevents the environment from becoming unbalanced. Unfortunately, the species is classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Deforestation, habitat loss, and illegal hunting are the greatest threats to its survival. Protecting the jaguar also means protecting the forest, the Pantanal, and all the biodiversity that depends on these environments. The jaguar is much more than a beautiful animal. It is a true symbol of the power of nature, a guardian of the forests and rivers of Latin America. And you, did you already know that the jaguar's bite is the most powerful among felines? Tell us in the comments which fact you found most impressive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to follow more amazing facts about the world's most incredible animals. See you next time.